Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to change icon size on Samsung S25. Let's begin! In order to change size of your icons, all you want to do is simply go to the settings, scroll down a little, and go to home screen. In the home screen right on top we have app size. As you can see, currently it's set to medium. We can set it to the lowest possible one, and as you can see it works like that. Or we can increase it all the way up and it will look like this. So as you can see, even though it doesn't really see as big of a difference here, it does make a difference on the home screen itself. But I will now leave it as the medium default size. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.